Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for our Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is more pasta. Yummy! This is an easy, creamy pasta bake with ham that my mom got from the All Recipes app. You know, her favorite. Now, we also discovered by Googling that dogs can have ham. Just a little bit. Small portions, but I can have it. So Mom made sure that she gave me a tiny piece of ham, and it was delicious. So this recipe, we used some leftover ham again from the holidays that we had frozen and brought back with us, and it was delicious. I mean, the sauce alone, you just really need to try this. It is so yummy, and the ham is my favorite, of course, and as you know, I also like to eat dried pasta that gets dropped on the floor, so this was a great one for my mom to make, for me to catch, so I highly recommend it, but it was really good, so you need to give it a try if you've not tried this one before. But I just hope you guys are having a great 2023 so far. I hope you give this a try. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. And also give us a thumbs up on this video if you like it. Hope you're having a great Monday. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Hi everyone, as Yoda said, we're making an easy cheese and ham pasta bake with some leftover ham from the holidays. So I made the pasta. It's a gluten-free penne, and it has cooled down. I made it al dente. And then here's the sauce, and I'm going to put this into this here in a second, but let me tell you what is in this sauce. So we have 1 3/4 cups of ham chopped up, which I used about 2 cups of ham. And then you use... This is interesting. Okay, so you use the ham, you put it in some olive oil, you fry it up for about 5 minutes until it gets browned, and then you put in a cup of heavy cream, which we're using our Country Crock plant-based cream, non-dairy, and a cup of milk, so we're using our So Delicious dairy-free organic coconut milk. Again, I'm allergic to dairy, so that's what we use. The penne is Barilla's gluten-free penne. And then you put in a wedge of cheese, a spreadable wedge of cheese. Well, I didn't know what that was or have anything like that, so I used a package of Follow Your Heart dairy-free smoked Gouda because I thought that would go good with ham. So I just crumbled it up and melted it into the sauce. So you keep the heat high, you let it start simmering, you add in the cream and the milk, then you add in the cheese and let it melt, which it did very fast. Then you put in a tablespoon of bouillon granules, so I use this Better Than Bouillon. And then you just shake in some ground black pepper to taste. So that is what is in the sauce over here. And so I'm gonna take this pasta, mix it well with the penne, and then pour it into this greased, which I greased with olive oil, 9 by 13 inch baking pan, and then we're going to top it all with Follow Your Heart's vegan Parmesan cheese, again non-dairy, and then you put it in a 425 degree oven for 20 minutes. So let me show you what it looks like. All right, we have covered it with our Follow Your Heart vegan Parmesan cheese. We're now going to put it into a 425 degree oven for 20 minutes or until the cheese is browned. All right, 20 minutes at 425, and it is done. You can see that the Parmesan has browned on there. And this is our Monday meal. Hope you guys give it a try. Enjoy. Happy Monday. Bye.